So I cleaned it out pretty good. The inside, you guys can see the inside of inside is still there's still a lot of crud on the inside. Like you guys can see like the brownish stuff that's inside. Now I used this wire brush and I did actually brush the sides of it though, so the sides are good. Like, but it's sitting at the bottom. You guys can see the hole, like that hole there. You can see like that hole right there. So I think it's just the crud that's sitting at the bottom. I might just use one of these tiny thin. Yeah, I might just use one of these tiny thin screwdrivers that you guys use for like tiny screws, and I'm gonna just try to, you know, see if I could actually just scrape it off. I'm gonna try to scrape it off, but I think this it's sitting at the very bottom of it, so I don't think it's a huge deal. Like if I could see the hole, because that gas is supposed to go through the hole and it's supposed to shoot up. That's what it does, right? And as long as it's not blocking those holes, I think I'll be all right. Those holes look pretty they look pretty good, but you can still see the crud, like the brownish crud at the bottom of this. Definitely gotta scrape that out. That's definitely gonna cause some issues.